Hi, this is Deepak. Welcome to Post Market Report. If you see, markets today open gap up of 160 points, but GIFT Nifty indicated only 100 points, 80, 90 to 100 points. But actual opening is around actual gap up opening is around 25,160. That means Nifty opened around 160 points higher. We all know sometimes GIFT Nifty indicates the wrong opening, but the gap up is huge. From there, Nifty fell almost 100 points and again shot up 50 to 60 points. You can see the entire day Nifty is consolidating in between 25,080 to 25,150 rupees, 150 points. Nifty is consolidating in between 70 points range. The gap up opening is huge, but there is only but there is no sudden big moves in the entire day. If you see volatility index, morning itself it shot up more than 6%. From there, volatility index crashed. After a gap up of 160 points, the Indian VIX should come down, but the VIX is shooting up. So even though people are in bullish view, if you see option chain data, 25,000 is aggressively written, and the following put options, that is 24,900, 800, 700 is aggressively written. The only resistance for Nifty is 25,500. That means people are expecting Nifty to trade in between 25,000 to 25,500. Everyone is bullish, but one bad thing is global cues did not support our market. So because of that, Nifty unable to move higher even after a huge gap ups. Even though if you see, whenever there is a huge gap up, Nifty will not move either side. Nifty only moves either side when there is a flat opening. So I expected morning itself there will be an I thought that there will be a no bigger move either side. Same thing happened, but we need to see the economic data like US inflation data, India inflation data, China inflation data, Japan GDP data, GDP numbers of first quarter. So these all are very important data for this week. We should closely watch this data to analyze our market. If you come to gold prices fell on Friday, but today it shot up little bit, and RBI interest rate cut is good thing. One of the good thing happened to Indian market, but the actual problem is, even after decreasing the interest rates, if you see now house loan is around 7.9%, I think so. In previous it should be 8.5, 8.8. It used to be in that range, but even after decreasing in interest rates, there is hope in real estate sector. If you see, there are number of flats for sale in around me. Even in Hyderabad, there are many flats which are unsold. So people are and economists and many people are expecting, because of this interest rate cut, expecting now people will willing to buy the houses. But I think somehow it is wrong, because the valuation, the prices of houses is still high. Real estate sector is in still very high prices. If you see in Hyderabad, I stay in Hyderabad. uh, in Hyderabad, if you want to buy a 2 BHK house, it costs more than 1 crore. And if you go to some premium villas in Hyderabad, like My Home, there are many big companies. They almost charge between 8 crores to 10 crores. So one thing I can tell you for sure, there there may not be a significant purchases in real estate sector because of high prices and high valuations. So there may be a purchases in in any real estate sector, but it will not be a significant purchases, because you because I already mentioned that the prices are very high. So we need to see what's going to happen, and how this interest rate cut is going to improve our economy in India. If you see, just now I went through US futures. They are slightly negative, but you can consider it as a flat. We need to see what's going to happen. And gold is also consolidating from Friday evening. So we need to watch closely what's going to happen in US markets. So there may be a gap up or gap down. If US markets are not performing good, I think India markets will also not perform good, because after interest rate cuts, Nifty triggered there and shot up more than 1%, more than, you can consider it as 2%, but Nifty closed above 25,000. To continue this rally, Nifty need a support from IT sector. If IT sector is not performing good, I think markets may not go much higher. Let's hope US markets do good, so our rally in Nifty will continue. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.